In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Pipedrive. We're going to walk through a simple, straightforward process to create a new product inside your Pipedrive account so you can start using it in your deals and quotes right away. Even though this is a short workflow, I'll slow it down a bit and explain what each step means so you feel comfortable doing it on your own. First, go ahead and open Pipedrive and look over to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is the main sidebar where you normally see options like deals, contacts, activities, and so on. In that list, find the products icon. It may look like a small box or item symbol depending on your view. Click on the products icon to open the products section. This is where all of your existing products will be stored and managed. Once you're in the products section, look towards the top right area of the page. You should see a green button labeled Plus Product. This is the button you'll use anytime you want to add a new product to your catalog. Go ahead and click the green Plus Product button. This will open a new product creation form. Now you'll see fields where you can enter details for your new product. The two key fields you need to focus on here are product name and price. In the product name field, type a clear, descriptive name that you and your team will easily recognize later. Try to avoid anything too vague, so it's obvious what the product is when you're adding it to a deal. Next, move to the price field. Enter the amount you usually charge for this product. Make sure you're using the correct currency that matches your Pipedrive settings, and double-check the value so you don't accidentally undercharge or overcharge when this product is used in deals. If your pricing changes later, you can always come back and update this field, but it's best to get it right from the start. Once you've entered the product name and price, take a quick moment to review what you typed. When everything looks good, click the Save button. After you click Save, your new product will be added to your products list and will be available to use in your deals, quotes, and pipelines. That's all there is to it. Open the products section, click the Add button, fill in the product name and price, and